Yeah, we'll solve some few more sums on uh, s- beats. Beats. It will be like that only. Just it will be like that. But when we are solving, when you are reading, you will get in level to 10 problems. If you solve enough, and very whatever they are written, very very lengthy, like very tension. That for yeah, for when again you have test. Santosh, join with video. Open books up first. This year, huh? Come on, open books. Uh, another book, huh? Open. Ananya, start. It's screen is not coming. Big screen is not coming. I don't know why. Remo- Mm, mm, nice. Thank you. Mm. Open PDF first. So much time still you are opening, huh? Ananya?
Sir, which PDF, sir?
Waves. Waves, once
Continuation.
again open. So beats questions of few sums that we will solve. Page number 1. So 101 question number. So that are the beats questions. Level 1 it is 101 level 1 only. Because level 2 beats questions are not there. Level 2 beat questions are not there. Beats okay, 101. Try to solve 101. Open that. Santosh, PDF is there with you?
Yes, sir.
Anirudh, admit. Santosh, try to solve. Just read the question. 101, huh? Mostly you solve 103. So percentage increase in frequency equal to that formula I given. Percentage increase in frequency equal to, yes, before is what? What is that? Percentage increase in frequency equal to 1 by 2 percentage increase in tension. See, one sum we solved on that. Remember, 101. You solve know that sum, 2% increase. 9. We'll solve now. Just beats. 4 questions we'll solve on 4 or 3 questions on beats. Board level. Which? Santosh, screen is clear.
No, sir.
Not clear, right?
No, sir. It's little
Screen is
readable,
not
sir,
clear.
but then not very clear.
It's blur, huh?
Yes, sir.
Why are you not saying?
Sir, I was looking at the PDF.
Just a second. Now okay, right?
No, sir, still the same.
Hmm. Yeah. Okay. Ah, try to solve. Answer is 2, but what they asked, just a percentage they asked. Even
Sir, it's still blurred, sir.
answer only 2. Done. Okay. Yes. Mm. That's what I'm giving. In percentage increase in frequency equal to half of the percentage increase in tension. That remember in this problems we saw that is the new point. Okay, so remember that and solve one more, one or two also, one or two. Mm. Mm. Level see, I will tell you. I will tell you. I will tell you. I will tell you. Just a second. Just a minute.
So what have we been doing this class?
Sound lesson, and 101 question we solved and 102 in the PDF. Four sums I will solve on the beats. After that, level 2 I will solve four sums. Then I will start oscillations.
And after oscillations 12th.
After oscillations 12th. Done.
So,
Do also can
well,
come. Some questions can come. How can we say that only easy questions they will give? Yes. You need to practice entire thing. You know to leave any question. Level 1 or level 2, you have to practice. And what questions we are practicing, there is no guarantee that that questions only they will give. Questions will be different. Mm. Level 2, level 2, some idea, you will maintain the grip, enough. No, enough, yes. That is enough, but concept. 100 and 102. Which one? You got 44, huh? 44 is correct. Beats formula what? B equal to? Okay. V and lambda they given, huh? You can do that. Nice. You can correct only. But B, what is the formula for beats? Number of beats per second. 105 already we solved. 104 you have to solve. 104 now. Is the F1. F2 also take like V by lambda. So F2 minus F1 that you have to do. So what are the answer you are getting? That is for 102. Right? No? 103. 103 or not 4? 103 we did already. 103 we did. 104. 104 also on beats only. And which question? 102 finished, huh? 103 already we did. Doppler's effect. We did. 104. Not doing one not. Tell me the what? How much you got? Correct only. Checking for formulas, huh? Searching for formulas. Huh? What they have given? Uh, 104, huh? Mm. What they're asking us to calculate? Number of. So you have to calculate F2 minus F1. Okay. So what is F? So we know that omega is equal to 2 pi F. From this, F is equal to omega by 2 pi. 2 pi is constant. So that F2 minus, sorry, omega 1 minus, sorry, omega 2 minus omega 1 by 2F. Omega 1 is there, value? If they give any equations, we can calculate the value. No? How much? 2000, 2008, 2000, 2005 by 2 pi. Pi take out and cancel out. After it will become 8 by 2, nothing but 4. So even form, see, that is a beats per second. If they ask, even this formula we can write. Equation they given, no? Equations from that you can get omega. See, when they have given equations, definitely that problem will become either depends on omega or k. It depends. What they started today? Nice. Hmm. Come on, one more. First, start Ananya. Ananya is very dangerous. We have to this year. She has to do all the questions. No, no holidays, nothing to her. If we give holidays 1 week also, we have to send all the PDF. Solve and come. Torture for you also.
So wait, I'm
Also
getting
is
what?
there for you. Why I can't? Prajwal, join with video. Anirudh, he will join, but no audio.
So I got do it in the way.
No, I am not giving attendance.
To me.
Uh,
Is this fine? So is this fine?
I, mm.
Sir, you have muted yourself.
Prajwal, join with video, Prajwal. Always. How much? What's the answer? Hmm. Okay, okay. Teach it to quadratic equation also.
Sir, I'm using my phone right now and
No problem, Prajwal.
no, it keeps falling. Like I'm
Ah,
keeping it like this.
okay, okay.
I'll get the laptop in a couple of minutes. So I'll
No problem. Leave that. It's fine. Oh, very huge calculation, huh? Oh. Okay, what you got? Answer, tell me at least. If you don't get quadratic equation, just tell me what is the answer that you got. It's fine. Oh God, this type of calculations they won't give. Okay, they won't give. What are the easy calculations? Sums are there that only they will give. Use calculations and are never. You no need to see. You won't see in any question paper. Use calculations. They know. Mm. Names and all everything is right. This calculation, but suppose in this place mostly they will give small values and they will not this much of big values. They will give small values and they can do. Oh God. See, nearly you have to get 70. See, so nearly you should get a 17, it seems. Nearly you should get 17, it seems. Ne 816. so much. That's why she want answer. You are not doing, huh? You binomial you use, no? So maybe it can work out. Leave. It's fine. Leave. Mostly Risha, what she is doing mostly, she can get. Let's see. Exact answer you won't get. Nearly equal to only you'll get. Two 2013. 168. Open JE question. Huh? Disha, don't do time waste that, because mostly they won't ask that type of. Yes, it's time waste question. Ma, leave. They won't ask. And answer also is, it's not exact. Nearly. Never. Nearly answer. Nearly 17. Not exact. So if you calculate also, you will get mostly 16 point something 8 or like that you will get. Mostly Risha method you should get, but she is not getting. Omo, leave. Open entrance gallery 2014. Whatever JE question they have given, that try to solve. JE levels, if you solve level 2 will get cover. No problem. 17. Answer. 17.
So
17. Prajwal.
if mains is level 2, then what is advanced level?
Level 2.
Wait, even mains is level 2, no?
Mains. Advanced level means assertion, reason questions and all that we have to. They given see in the PDF assertion, reason questions. That is for advanced.
Okay.
More than one answer questions are there, right? Yeah, more than one answer questions and passage type questions,
Yeah,
assertion, reason. These are
advanced.
advanced. Match the following. Open last previous year questions. 2014 in JE they have given that question. Please try to solve. Did you get ma? Page number 22 it seems. Entrance gallery. Yeah, entrance gallery. It will be there. We how many questions that you can solve? I will tell. That questions leave. Now I will say how many questions that you can solve in that JE level also. That much time. Number two, second question that you can solve in the entrance gallery. First one we will solve. Yes. Num- yes, two. Question number two. You have to solve no other option. Question number three. Little bit just small tricky, but you can solve because formulas and everything that you know. Now we will solve one. One we will solve. One also you know, but I have to see that. Question number four. Five. Six no need six in the second year lesson when we are studying that intensity you will learn. Okay. Seven. Happily you will solve. Um, Nine. Little bit big derivation, but you can solve. 10. Easily. 11. Very easily that you can solve. Wait. 9, huh? Mm, 9. Okay. 9 also they given JE only. 10. 8. 8 I will solve. 10. 11. 11 also JE and K set. 12. Jammu Kashmir. Yeah. K set. Set they given. 12. 13. 14. 13 they given in JE advanced. 14th they given JE advanced. 15th that you can solve. 15th just one more step you will get here. 15th question when we are solving 15th question, that type of questions also you are able to solve. So round of the 15 just mostly you can solve. 16 you will solve, you should do that. 16. 15 we will solve. 16 is case. 15 you can do a half you will get but remaining half you won't get, so that 16. 16 is 17. 17 set no. 90 18. This type of questions you solved already. 18. 19. 20. Oh JE 20. 21 JE questions are very easy than other questions I guess. 21 really. 21 JE only. 19, 20, 21, 21 JE, 22. That's all that you can. Wait. 23. 23. 24. Okay, so 25. 25th also 25. 23, little bit tricky. Test what will happen? You will mark wrong mostly. Sometime if you mark, you can see the answer how they have did. It's not after test you can do that. No, you can open the answers and you can see, right? Happy. That's only we want. 26, 26, 27, 27, 25, 27, 27, 28. No need. That second year we will solve that. No need. 29. No need. 29. Actual answer, you know that. 29. 29 solve. You know answer mostly. 30. 31. You will get one formula in 31. 32. No need. 32. You will get t equal to 0, then y equal to 5. You will get, so put the values in. 32 also do. Each one just values you have to substitute. 33, comparing y equal. 33, you will solve. 34, you can solve. 35, you know that formula. 36. 36. Mm. No, no, me not. Sir will give that. You should ask, sir, give difficult questions. At least if we get 5 questions in that, I will get more confident in this lesson. Like that, you have to ask. What is it? Easy lesson? Easy questions means sound. What is sound? Sound is a form of energy. It is. You will get. You will get. No, that's fine. That's fine. That sums. Try to solve now. Harsh sir. Subject. Sir, already uploaded. Question. Everything is uploaded. Just he will mark and he will give. That's all. Start. See the first question. No, first question. See that. Read once. First question. JE. No. So that's why. Try to attempt. Solving first question. No.
So wait, what's the date of the PDF?
I didn't get.
The date of the PDF.
PDF data. PDF
Yeah.
date. No idea. PDF date. Any date? Do you have idea? No. No. Jan 5th it seems.
Okay, yeah, okay. The
First
correct.
PDF.
Yeah.
Ananya, try to solve Ananya. First question. J. That is only JE. So find the number of possible natural oscillations in air column of below. They will come. They will listen. The, They will come. Risha, start solving. Start solving. You not for you also it is there. No, no, no. This year over. Always test. You have no time to even speak with others also, because everyday torture only. When physics class is going, oh God, which sir, which question he will ask? I have to study at home. This is what it will happen every day. Physics only. If you sleep, you will get in dreams also. You will get physics only. If you wake up, also physics only. First answer six, ma. Nearly. You got six, or what? Yes. 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 What you did for closure pipe? Yes. Mm. Nice. Ananya, fast. Then it's fine. A pipe of 85 centimeter closed in one end. Find the number of possible natural air column of frequency below. Closed, huh? Mm. It's closed only. Open is two ends open. Two. 1 by lambda by 4 you will get, no? Second one? Final formula. Ratio, how will you get? 1 is to 3 is to 5 and so on, right? So it is nothing but 2n plus 1 into V by 4L. V by 4L. This is the final answer. So if you place n equal to 1, then 3, 0, then 1. Yeah, correct one. If you place n equal to 0, then you get 1. N. N is only, but what is the number of n? Mm. Second harmonic, huh? Third answer. How much you got? Yeah. Yes. All this case set and all you can. Ananya got answer or not? Fast. Yeah, yeah. Sorry. Ananya will feel. Oh God. is two harmonics. Option 3, yeah. Santosh, question number? N equal to 3. N equal to 2. N equal to 2. Prajwal, question number? Are you solving?
So I'm solving, sir.
Question number?
I'm on the second one only. 1 second.
Second one.
I'm doing it slow, sir.
Yeah, second one is hint.
You're getting
That is V is equal to root over T by mu. They given everything. They given T, they given nu.
Okay.
Because here nu is nothing but mass per length. Mass per length. So substitute this, you will get some value. Mass they given, length they have given. Substitute, you will get some, whatever the answer you want, you will get. So that's the hint. Mass how much given? 10 grams. Mass 10 grams they given. So 10 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. Length is 1 they have given. 1 meter.
So T by 10 into 10 to the power minus 5.
That's all.
Yeah, that's it. Answer done.
So answer is 100. Next one. What happened? Prajwal, third question.
Just a second.
Hmm.
So these questions are kind of. Sure, can I skip some questions?
Okay.
No, some of them are.
You can.
Okay.
Question number? Risha. Fourth one. You will solve, Risha, that question. First, what they have given everything right.
So can we just go to the graphical problems back.
Graphical. Here, graphical problems are very, very less. Here, they won't ask mostly on the graphical problems. Either beats or Doppler effect or this method.
So I don't think we're on the same worksheet because there are many graphical questions.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there are 12 graphical questions.
12.
This looks like a lot. There are 12. From 138.
130. Apparent frequency. How much you got, Risha? Fourth question. Correct only. Actually, answer is 330, but I read the question. It is when we won't get 330. We know that when source is in motion and observer is stationary, the frequency heard is apparent frequency should be more. Question number 5. Huh? Yes. Yes. Others? Question number 5. In which of the following phenomena the heat waves traveling in a straight line? Okay. Thermal radiations only, it is there. Thermal conduction is not conduction, right? Body should be move, that radiations will move through the material from high temperature to low temperature. Medium is required. So, convection is without touching medium, it is possible in solids, liquids and gases. Fluids, it will possible. So that is not the answer. So thermal radiation without any medium, it can move with spin. Yes. Radiation in the form of waves without any medium, it can travel. In vacuum also. Yes. So option D. Sixth. Sixth no need. Sixth one easy. Maximum intensity, minimum intensity means that formula will come in the next year. Intensity formulas. Whenever intensity formula you will get, already we will get the formula in the second year. Wave optics, that is what? Wave optics, waves, oscillations. On these three combination, mostly three questions can come in the any competitive examination. So we have to concentrate there. Seventh answer is correct only. Question number 8. Check once. Read. Risha, question number. Question number Risha. Seventh. Check once my eighth one. What they have given is diagram. You have idea, right? So this is the diagram they have given. Velocity. Yeah? So it is one path, and it is one more path. Okay. Path difference you have to find out because different path. No. So path difference equal to path difference equal to 10 by 3. Correct answer. So path difference. It is total is how much? If it is from here to here r, here to r, it is 2r. So total is 2r, and it is pi r. 2 pi r not, no? It is pi r. So path difference will be pi r minus 2 pi r. It's nothing but pi minus 2 into r. Path difference. Try to solve. No, you will get idea. Read the question. He only told that. So path difference. So this is also mostly you'll get so path difference whenever we are taking, remember this path difference is equal to n lambda. Whatever the path difference you are taking, that should be equal to n lambda. Once if you know, then frequency you can find out the velocity equal to velocity formula. Velocity equal to lambda by t, nothing but lambda f. What question there you have to find out? Frequency. So frequency equal to v by lambda. Frequency equal to, from this, frequency equal to v by lambda. So v by lambda means n into pi minus 2 into r. N is frequency. N is frequency. Yes, n is frequency. Wait. Here n lambda f is not path, it's path difference. No, path difference is nothing but distance. Distance equal to del x. So n equal to 1, 2, 3, and so on. 1 by 2. Anything it can happen, no? Since n equal to principal quantum number, n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. n can be anything, 1 to infinity. It can be 1 to infinity. No, you they didn't ask anything. No, see that answer also. Just uh, n n if you send, so value you will get like this. So n is the integral multiple. Integral multiple nothing but 1 to anything, 1 2 and so on infinity. So answer is integral multiple times of v by pi minus 2r. So option a. See, look at this. First we have to find out the path difference. So this type of paths, when they have given, first we have to find out the path difference. Path difference is this path and even this path. So this path is 2r, r radius is 2r you will get, but this path is half circle, so pi r. So path difference is pi r minus 2r. Just r common you will write. So path difference equal to n lambda. From here to here, how much r is the radius? No, it's the question number 8. No, what is the answer? Wait, 2. uh, mm. Oh, f equal to v by 2l. Mm. V by 2l. So v equal to that much. If you place, then, mm. Yes. Question number 8. No. Integral multiple. Option A only. Wrong. Option wrong. It is more. It is then. Displacement is always lesser than the distance. In at least interest, with interest he is doing, no, that we can say. Next question number. Answer option wrong. What we did, see, we got answer is this. No, finally what they're asking, see that frequency. No, so frequency equal to, they asked frequency only. No? So we got v equal to, no, sorry, frequency we got. Yeah, this is only the frequency. Integral multiple times of option A only. See, they can give wrong. Again, for what explanation? I don't know. It's
So
but explanation also. This is
so
Prajwal, tell me, ma.
I'm gonna be joining from another device, so could you just let that in? I'll leave from
10
this.
minutes is there. Oh, it is there. Just a second.
No, I'll just.
Yeah, I know.
Could you just let
I
that in?
saw.
Thank you.
Question number 9. Solving.
And so
Approach. You will get little bit correct, no? That's what old is there in your hands actually. Total old. No, no. But I'm not getting any other option. This is only option. Correct only. Always. First question you only solve, no? JE. No, you solve, right? JE your own question you solve, right? Right. Like that only questions will be there. But we have to practice more. We don't know which question they will give, but that time, see, it should glow. Because in that tension, mostly what you will do, tension, time, whatever you know also. So with the tension, not without tension, okay. 20, you should not go to examination 25 bits out of 25. I have to no. Your concentration is I have to mark only 15 questions correctly. That's all. 15 questions, if you mark, done. You will qualify. Very easy. Oh, very easily will qualify. 15 into 4, 60. Awesome. 60 marks. It's a peak. Yes. So everyone, what they will do, they have to do everything. So everything they will put gone. Never. Only 25, 30. Our choice is 25 questions. We have to do only 15. So 10 choice. You have to do like that. Mm. Sapiens, no problem. We the practice, no, each and every question that you have to try. Negative marking is there, you do everything. Okay. Negative marking is if you know. Mm. You should not do that ever. Always first, which topic you are more confident. I will give you in the next class when I'm going to start. What is that? Second year. Before that, I will give which topics you have to remember in the first year. So which topic we have to discuss, how they are going to ask questions. Then we will go to once if I start again next, I will start no revision. That time I will give that. Happily we can answer very easily. So see, Ananya, have they given big derivation questions? Huh? No, never. They won't ask like that. They don't know. 5 more question if they given, they will ask you to calculate. Huh? Never. Mm. This year everything is there. All are there. Whatever you want, we will give what you require. Tin? No, no, no. Continuous. It's continuous. Board preparation, everything will continuously go on. The day which I start the teaching, 80 marks test and see one lesson if I complete, on that test will be there. That is also I don't tell which questions I am giving every day. Finally, he is going to do something this year. She fixed it. Now she wants to ask. Really, this year I am going to do something special. That ever, yeah, which subject means, yeah, we know physics. Happily that we can write all the questions that I want. Only that. More than that, I don't want anything. Even my target is that. From first lesson also, you should feel very comfortable. Yes, we know. We know that. Sometimes I will call and I will make you to explain here. Mm. School notes, I don't want. School notes, you have to study. No need, no need. No, no, yeah. Because my notes, if you practice, if you read, everything will be there in that. You will see special things. Question number? How much you got? See, first approach you calculated a frequency. Approach frequency did you calculate? F2 minus F1 you can't put. Why? Because that is for beats, no? First one, how much you got? Tell me. Okay. Mm. Mm. Tell me approach formula, how much you got? You- oh, it's it's interesting, but I didn't get answer. 75, huh? Maybe just you are very near. Just no, no, hundreds. So 75 means somewhere in calculation mistake only it is. You go correct only. It's a very nice method. That method also very nice. Generally, he directly he given final minus in his like frequency differences formula. 100 correct. Question number 9, Risha. No, it's correct. WBJ. Next. She will say, what question I got? That question only you have to give. No, no. But fine. Very, very fine. That the way you are solving, even I bet less confident. Yes. See, they can do. Till now, I didn't even touch everything that you are only solving. Everyone are doing with interest. Very, very interest that you are doing. It's very, very happy. How much you got? Tell me how much you got. Mm. Carefully read and tell me the answer. Ananya, question number. Energy. Energy propagates in longitudinal waves. Energy travels. Why frequency? Frequency won't change. That is constant quantities, but they are telling which is traveling. No, no, that is which is not changing. Question number Ananya. 10th. 11th solve. Mm. Dispersion, no. No, no, no. Answer is wrong, but energy is correct. Answer is wrong. Answer, sir sent answers wrong. Is some questions wrong answers are there even in this. No, no, completely won't. No, no. Very, very careful when they are giving that. It won't be. Book when they are preparing, when they are writing book, printing mistakes. 11th question. Read the question. Don't please string, right? String, mass, everything. Uh, uh. How long? They're asking lambda. Distance they're asking. Time. So V equal to root over T by mu. Apply. V is nothing but lambda by T. Have they given? Transverse wave. Jerk. Crust and trough. Yes. When they given jerk, It will move like this, and one end is at a pixel. So wave is moving, transverse wave is moving along the string. That's what I guess. Yes. Yeah, correct. No. What the time distance they are asking, right? Velocity you will calculate, and distance. What they are asking? Time, right? So you know the velocity you will calculate, distance. Lambda, how much they given? Speed, frequency, length they given, no? Hey, length they given, no? Wire length they given. That is only the distance, no? Yes, that much distance. Frequency we don't need. Uh-huh. No, we have to calculate. Yeah. She's asking, we have to calculate the time, no? So frequency have they given, huh? Yes. Yes. Okay. So that's what remaining questions also try to practice, huh? Okay. Pen. Test. Hold them. Hold it will be there. Hold it. Yes, sure. I'll make sure. Yes, sir, but reply and today night is very, very 11 o'clock. I will be wake up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Anirudh. Prachva.
So are we done?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Prajwal. If they give same questions in any examination, happily that okay. That is only J. Happy to know. Yeah. Very nice that you are thinking that you are solving this very, very happy. The other batch is not solved. Other batch is not solved with much interest. Distractions here. Continuous that you are solving one question. So we came here so that we could be distracted. Thank you, sir. What if you like day, you may part I don't know. That's so true. And I should take doctor for engineer themselves. It's nice to leave. Why do you want come fresh here?